Guys, this is HKK Craft 13. I have another firework review. I went somewhere and I bought some fireworks. Alright, this is what I have. I have one of these disco flash, you know that. Then I bought me a box of crackling balls. You know those? Yeah, safe and sane. So, we're gonna. Sorry, guys. So, these crackling balls, you guys know them. Comes with 12 pieces and 6 in each bags. So you guys know the little green balls. Yeah. So they come like this. The little green balls. And yeah, that's the crackling ball made in China. So hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, guys, peace out. What the?